Hello there, my friends. So you may or may not know this trick, and if you don't, it's certainly worth taking advantage of. This is the Rite Aid flyer for this week, and right in almost every Rite Aid flyer every week, they have some gift cards that will give you bonus cash if you buy them. So here, if you buy $50 worth of one of these types of cards, so like if you bought a $50 Wayfair card, which I did, you'll get $8 back in credit at the store. Bonus cash is what they call it at Rite Aid. And you can do that twice. It says right here, limit 2. So you can do 2 of these, so I did. And then here you can do $5 back if you do $25. So Panera Bread or Chipotle. So I did 2 Paneras. So Panera, and there's a Panera. And then these I did Aeropostale. Got $8 back, so I get 2 of those. So if you're gonna give gift cards for Christmas anyway, you might want to do this. What'll happen is first of all, make sure that your rewards card is up to date, because it turned out mine wasn't. When they tried to scan it, the first time I did not get credit for the bonus cash. So I had to update my card with some information, which I had to go through this whole process of undoing the cards and everything. It was crazy. So anyway, make sure that that's up to date. Make sure that they scan the card first. I know that they say it doesn't matter. Maybe that's right, maybe not, but make sure that the card goes through first, that your card is registered. And then when you get your receipt, at the bottom of the receipt, you'll see all of these things here where it says, bonus cash reward has been awarded. You check these and make sure that all of your bonus cashes are rewarded. So I had 6 cards, so I have 6 rewards. And then here it'll tell you what your balance is. So it'll tell you that these are your total reward points. There's the reward points with this purchase. So $250 worth of gift cards, $42 credit at the store, right? So if you just bought these gift cards anyway, you would have not gotten this bonus. By using your rewards card, you end up getting $42 in store credit at Rite Aid. And there's a lot of stuff at Rite Aid. I mean, you can buy shampoo, you can buy toothpaste, you can buy stuff that's just essentials. This is basically free for just getting something you were going to get anyway. So, and there's no reason that you can't use these yourself. You can go to Panera yourself. You don't have to gift these, but since it's the time to gift, these things happen. So anyway, if you have any questions, let me know and I'll explain it further, but I think I covered everything, and I hope you guys will share your thrifting tips with me and the audience. Have a great day. If this helped you in any way or has any value for you, please like the video and let me know. Take care.